Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for a team. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to trello.com and make sure to log in into your account if you're not logged in yet. For me, I'm already logged in. So here, the first thing that you need to do is ask your team members to go and create an account on Trello, as example, then go to this list panel, members, and click on that. And here you'll be able to simply, first of all, add your members to your workspace. So I don't know why it's taking a lot of time. Let's just load. Yeah, as you can see. So here, now, what you'll need to do is simply go and click on invite workspace members. So as I said before, if they already created an account, you can simply invite them using their email address. Ask them to share their email address or even their name on Trello. As an example, let's say their email address is at test@gmail.com. All you need to do once you type it, you'll find this right here. You can click on it as an example and send a message with it or not. It's totally up to you. And click on send invite, and you'll be able to send the invite to that specific person. Of course, you'll be able to make bulk invites. As an example, if you go, as an example, to test2 at gmail .com as an example. Let's say if someone is using the email, yeah, why not? As you can see, so you can send it to multiple people with the same message at the same time and invite them first of all to your Trello. Or they still didn't create an account, or if they have an account and if you don't want to like ask them or to send their email and etc., you can simply click on invite with this link. As an example, click on it and it will be copied to the clipboard. Let's say, an example, I'm just going to open incognito and someone click on that link. They will be taken here. And as an example, they will take or tell them to log in into an account or create an account. Then they will be invited to the Omics workspace, which is basically the workspace that I'm inviting them to. So now, once it's like that, how to use it for a team. Once they are invited, you can simply go and create a board for specific members. For example, maybe you have a big company and you have, an example, this are working on the tech and this are working on commercials and etc. You can create some boards for text guys, for commercial guys, for I don't know, maintenance guys, and of course there you can start creating some lists and cards for each member. And of course you can assign members to specific lists or specific cards. You can do some to-do lists. You can make some integrations with Google Calendar so they be on time. You can, like example, connect it to Slack to send the message on Slack if you're using Slack for communication. Connect it to Discord. I've already made a lot of videos about that. You can go and check them out. So that's gonna be it for me this video, and that's how you use it for a team. So that's gonna be it for me. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.